There it is. Let's go. Let's go. That sounds like 700 more on the cash accounts for me. What a beautiful exit.
I wouldn't even blend your shit in.
But my shit is blended, bro. It's just blonde, you bitch. Another contract tapped right here. Is that Jason Momoa?
And the flag was still there.
We're up over 300. There we go. Oh, Butter's in. Butter's in.
Ooh, look how he's swerving it, right? He knows what he's doing.
Welcome back to the Big Daddy Morning Show. It's your boy, Big Daddy Max, with the one and only Mr. Llama Llama Red Pajama. It is 9:33 in the morning, June 10th, and I forgot to do the intro. We are doing it now, baby. I already sold my options on the day, and we're going to have a great day, Llama. We're going to trade some fucking futures, baby. And I am, obviously, you can hear a little raspy today because we were at the Panthers game, and we watched them absolutely dominate the pathetic Edmonton Oilers. The pathetic Edmonton Oilers.
Bro, I'd beat the shit out of every fucking player on that team.
Absolutely dusted them. They had no idea what the fuck was even happening. Those idiots. Seriously, they had no idea what was even happening. So great day, great game, great time, great people. We were hanging out with the TPT brass, which was a lot of fun. Which was a lot of fun. I really like the short here, Llama. I'm telling you, if I want to see if we can just break to SPX, just really turn red here, and probably NQ with some relative weakness. I really like the short here.
Yeah, bro. I'll tell you one thing, Max. I was in the short, and then I got taken out break even with this fucking candle at 9:30.
I'm gonna take it, Llama.
I think you're good, bro. I think you're good. It could go to 804. It's like 20 points for sure. I just don't know if it goes all the way to 7.
There it goes.
I wanted to go to 700 today.
That thing. Keep pushing down, baby.
I just don't know if that's going to be one of those trades.
No wick, baby. No wick. Continuation. Here we go. 4-second candle. We want to drop continuation. No wick. No wick out.
You can go directly to 804, and then that's your area of interest to see if it bounces up.
A little wick out. No wickies
candles
today.
Are a little thick, bro. Little thick candles today. 32-point candle that was.
Yeah, that was a big boy.
And 30 candle was 30 points.
I like the short a lot. I'm looking at SPX here just
I like the short, Maxie. I like the short.
I'm in it. I told you I want to see NQ go red or break even on the day.
We can go to 804 100%.
I told you that's why I just want to see NQ go possibly red on the day. I'm watching SPX here. I want to see a 3-bar. I want to see NQ go red on the day.
I think you're good, bro.
We're looking for it. I mean, we're only talking about like 3 or 4 more points here. That's it. As soon as I see
8 points and it's red, 10 points, 11 points.
As soon as I see NQ turn red, I will get out of the trade.
Yeah.
That is it. Here we go. Give me a Treasy down. If SPX Treasy's here, I feel like we're good.
See here, tapped into an FVG. If it can wake up flip and Treasy, you're kind of solid.
Kind of solid?
Kind of solid.
Okay, here goes the SPX Treasy.
There's a tap with the wick and flip. If we print through, I think you go to 804, bro. I want to go to 700 today, but I don't know if it goes yet.
There's a little pop. No big deal. No big deal. Big Daddy Max.
I'm fucking tired, bro.
Yeah, I'm definitely like out of it right now. Man, listen, hanging out with them boys from TPT, you guys don't understand how fucking cool the CEO and COO of TPT are. Those guys are so cool. They're so much fun. We had a fucking blast at the game. Our families were there. It was so badass. Those guys are so sick. Just so cool to kick it with them. Their customer service sucks. Yeah, their customer service is ass. Absolutely. 10 out of 10 agree.
Yo, almost spit my water out.
Yeah, no, absolutely.
Yeah, they're so cool. But customer service, dog shit.
Customer service, probably the worst I've ever seen. Totally agree.
Yeah, bro. Holy shit.
Listen,
I'm
nice
fried. I think I need to take an Advil or some shit, bro.
An Addy?
Like, yeah.
An Addy?
Or an Addy. Yeah, bro. I might have to fucking crush up an Addy and stuff.
Did I mention that to them? Did I tell them yesterday at the hockey game that their support service sucks? No, man. No, I didn't.
No, bro. We were fucking having a good time, bro. You mentioned it to them on the podcast. Make sure to tap into the podcast on Max Options Trading on YouTube where we told them your support is fucking dog shit. We made sure to tell them, brother. Don't worry. While we were fucking having fun.
Yeah, bro,
but if you do want to see if we said that, we did say that.
Oh, you're fucking eating hot dogs with their kid, with their family and stuff. You think we're just gonna be like, what do you guys think? Your support service fucking sucks, by the way.
This fucking hey little Sixer,
Yeah.
hey little bro, hey your fucking
Yeah.
dad's support team sucks. Like
Yeah.
no, bro, we
Your
fucking had
dad's
his kids
support team-
around, bro.
Yeah, your
Jesus
dad's support
Christ.
team is dog shit, little kid, and just like the fucking Edmonton Oilers.
Right, bro. Those kids were sad. Like their team was getting smoked. They were wearing Oilers jerseys.
Yeah, no, they
You
weren't.
couldn't just shit on them and their
They were
pops.
not happy about it.
I'll tell you one thing, guys. You want to hear
Hold
something
on,
funny? Max is a
I'm about to
fucking.
cut my little micro here. I was gonna hold it to this structure high.
You're gonna hold. You're holding that.
It's a micro. It's literally one
Oh.
micro. I trimmed one out. I
Yeah.
had one micro.
Yeah, it's like $20.
Micro.
So you want to hear how much of a dickhead Max is?
Whoa.
So we're here talking to the boy, the TBT boys, and he's like, yeah, bro, this stadium's a fucking shithole. And we're like, shit, we fucking love it. Like, I don't know what another hockey stadium looks like. He's like, yeah, this shit's fucking terrible. You know, like the other NHL stadiums are way better. Max has the audacity to tell the CEO of TPT, do you even know what an NHL stadium looks like? Because he didn't make it to the NHL. He only played in Europe.
All right, I jumped out of that micro there. I lost $100. I'm down 100. I'm down 100. Yeah, he said this is a little rinky dink fucking arena. I said, oh, for real? I said that's crazy. Do you don't even know what I thought you didn't even know what an NHL stadium looks like. And I hit him with like a Shane Gillis look, like a real strong Shane Gillis. I hit him with one of these.
You see it in his face. He was sick. He was sick.
God.
He's like, oh,
fucking
okay.
What's going on, everybody? I want to give a big shout out to our sponsor and our partner over at Trade FFF, Funded Futures Family, baby. One of the best props in the game. They got the best deals always with code BDM, like 1 day to pass. Make sure you check them out. Trade FFF.
And good here. I was waiting for this.
Loaded.
Previous day high is approaching soon. 786 right on top. Midline of a higher time frame. Skibbity boop.
Yeah, some real good relative strength there.
They're looking cool here, bro. It's looking cool here. I'm not going to try to call the top until I see what I see, and I need to see it. And if I see it accordingly, then guess what? We all see it. I'm tired, bro.
Me too. I'm tired too.
Can't get over it.
It might be just one of them.
I even popped the NyQuil last night. I still fell asleep like at 2:30.
You popped the NyQuil?
Popped the NyQuil. Whoa. Still stayed up till like almost 3 in the morning. It was terrible.
This looks very bullish, man. I'll tell you, I like the uptrend here. This might be a treasy up.
You gotta wait on it, bro.
Fail.
The previous day high is sitting right around the corner.
I like that a lot. I'm just gonna be
Matter of fact,
patient.
we've been swept previous day. Nah, I'm not fucking with that. Now that I'm thinking about it, I don't care about this previous day anymore. Forgot we've been swept it.
Care about the previous day? What do you mean?
No, the past like 4 out of 5 days, we caught nasty previous day high sweeps. Straight up.
You don't even know what that means, dude.
Bro, I'm not gonna lie, Max. You need to buy the course. Oh, forgot. So yesterday I was supposed to raise the price on the course, guys. Got home really late, and I kind of threw it as a surprise to the community. My bad, guys. Price of my course is going up. Going up. Sorry, guys.
We know you said it 40 times. But just fucking make it.
You know, people can't
Gs.
read though.
Make it
people can't read it. I'm about to make it 10 G's. Honestly,
an SPX dragging ass here. I kind of like that.
It's dragging. I still want to see upside pressure though. No, don't give me entry criteria and think I won't take it though.
This is like the first entry model potential here. If NQ makes a newer high, it's not, but this could be a short potentially here on NQ. Oh, it's looking decent. SPX just needs to.
I would need to see print under 60.
SPX breaks 1650, and I'm jumping on it. Hold on. SPX breaks 1650. Oh yeah, I'm all over it. Hold on. Here we go. I
need NQ to break 860, bro. If not, I'm gonna just wait on it. Is it possible to make 2 payments on the course? No.
Micros.
Yo, Maximus. Look, I got the fucking bro. My indicator is not working, brother. I'm on T1.
None of the indicators. Fucking trading view, man. They've been busting our balls. SPX.
Fuck. Serious? I'm gonna have to make my own. I'm gonna have to make my own orb.
SPX. About to invalidate me or treasy down, you bitch. If it treasy's,
I need for me to take a we need to go under 60.
There we go.
There's under 60.
There we go. I'm gonna trim a little right there.
See.
There we go. I'm gonna trim a little right there.
Let's see. This candle's gonna tell me everything. How does it print?
It's treasy, baby, right there. I'm not horsing around with that one. There we go. We're up now. Back green, baby. I'm back green. I'm in that heavy. Oh yes. I'm in that heavy. I like this drop a lot. I'm in this.
Still waiting on it.
Oh yeah, I'm in that. I'm in that big, baby. Let's go. I'm back up 100. I'm up 200 on my. Let's go. 27 points, six micros, and we're rolling right now. And we're rolling.
That is
Here we go.
tanker. Oh my fucking god.
Here
if this shit pops back up to over here, I'll probably jump at it. But I needed to jump.
Oh yeah.
Without a pull back up, I'm not taking it.
Trimming some more here. I'm just going to candle high. I'm going to candle high. Oh my god. Oh my god. Wick high. Wick high on the short here. There it is. There it is. Let's go. Let's go. I'm out. I'm out. I'm done. I'm out. I'm done. Give me the Panthers horn. Give me the Panthers horn. You're cutting out, Doc. You're cutting out bad. I like
You're gonna break someone's ears with that fucking horn.
SPX with a break of the 1650. We just dropped through orb midline. This is going to be orb midline. Here we go.
I think this would be my own.
Doc, hold on, Doc. Hold on, Doc. Let me get back. Hold on. I like the short hold here, guys. I really like the short hold here, all the way down to potentially 6,004 on SPX. That would mean NQ is going to drop another 50 or 60 points. Or midline should be your stop loss. Actually, all right, yeah, you should be out right now.
This should be my orb here.
Right there. I'm out. I'm out.
And I'm probably catching that up here.
Bang, baby. Look at this. Cash account, baby. Cash accounts, baby. We're up 109 on the micros, 595 on the minis. That sounds like 700 more on the cash accounts for me. 700 more on the cash accounts, baby. Oh, wow. What a beautiful exit. What a beautiful exit.
Are we going to the next game, bro?
Listen, I seem to have been on a heater with my trading. Not only am I on the Pro Plus accounts, I'm on live accounts. I'm TPT doesn't trade. They don't trade against Big Daddy Max anymore. TPT, they hedge Big Daddy Max. When you're him, they hedge. As soon as Big Daddy Max says I'm going short, TPT says I'm going short, because that's what it is. That's what it is when you're him. That's what it is. I already sold my options, guys. I already sold my options.
I'm already a cash account. It's a Pro Plus.
It's a Pro Plus is a cash account.
You gotta go exactly. Yeah, you gotta go Pro Plus.
It's a live account. Actually. It's not a. It's a live cash account. Yeah.
Did you guys scoop that re-entry up here? I marked it out for you guys.
Man, I'm up.
Tap back here. This would be a re-entry. How many can you have? Up to 5. You can have up to 5 accounts. Up to 5 accounts you can have. Max, we can't see that. All I see is your big ass finger.
Curve, boy. That's what I'm trying to show. Look at that. Look at that option selling equity curve. Oh no. Don't show the money. Oh fuck, guys. If you start selling options now, in 5 or 6 years, you could have 300, 400, 500, 600, 3 point something in your brokerage, guys. Seriously, you could have like numbers. This is a consolidation. Hey, let me talk to y'all real quick. Who wants some free chicken?
Free chicken.
Right here. This area right here. So I like the short, right? I think the short is still very good. This is
right.
Get smoked because they're in a short. The short bounces back up. But if you look right now, this is a consolidation on SPX and NQ. This is not a reversal long. This is not a continuation short. We have gone from T to fucking R, right? This is where the range breaker comes in like a beautiful indicator. People get scared out right here. This is where most people are like, oh my God, I'm going to get, I can't enter. I got to get out of the short, or I got to scale in, or dude, they just overreact in this very moment. When in reality, you're just in a range. And when you're inside of a range, that's tug of war. That's tug of war. Now, if the buyers win that tug of war, you can dump that short and you can flip your shit long. And then you can ride the train, because there's nothing more bullish than a failed bearish move. And a drop down range reversal is nothing more bullish than a failed bearish move. Now, if this were to drop back down and continue the range and form an LH lower high of market structure, that is an AAA plus short. And you got to jump on that if it breaks the range down, or if it reverses. That is how you play this the max way. Perfectly every single time, up or down. That is it.
Fucking spicy mixy. Fucking real spicy mixy.
Teacher, hey Bunny, I recommend everyone buys the Mastermind course, because if you're not familiar with Teacher Max, bro, crazy Bunny. Teacher Max is crazy. Yeah, sometimes Teacher Max comes out and I gotta lock back in. I gotta lock back into Entertainer Max. Hold on.
Right.
Yeah, you a hoe, you a hoe, you a ho 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 go cats go cats go cats go cats
Idiot,
go.
bro.
Hey Doc, do we have footage of that wild? There was a wild event in Fort Lauderdale last night. An animal broke out of the zoo. Doc, do we have footage of that? There was this crazy fucking thing that happened. It was in I think it was
Sunrise?
Fort Lauderdale. Oh no, Sunrise. Yeah, there was Sunrise where during the game there was this crazy shit that happened and an animal broke out of the zoo. Do we have the footage of this? It is insane. It is actually crazy. We got to see if we can pull this up. We can see if we can find this. Yeah, it was all over the news. They were talking about it at the Cats game. It was insane. My mother-in-law just said, "OMG, pictures don't do your light fixtures justice. They are so gorgeous. My light fixtures." Llama, when you are married with your wife looking for a house, you're gonna find out about this thing that women they gatekeep this thing. They gatekeep it. It's called light fixtures. Have you ever heard of a light fixture?
Nah.
I
Like
have.
a lamp?
Right. That's what I assume. Like something by my bed, like hotel, like a lamp, right? Like we like a light, like a light we put on the like a light switch, like a hi-hat. Like no. I'm talking light fixtures. Did you know that your whole house is make or break by the lights you buy and put in them?
Yeah. Know that.
I had to go with some I wouldn't consider them lights that I would buy for myself because I think I like masculine lighting. I like good contours on like a nice marble or like a dark color. But I got this fucking light in my foyer. I have a foyer. Do you know what a foyer is?
What's a foyer?
I learned about this too. I didn't know what the fuck a foyer is. So apparently when you walk in the front door, there's a hallway that, we have an open hallway to enter into our home, which opens up, and that's called a foyer. I learned all this from women. Women taught me all this shit over the last couple of days. Well, weeks. And apparently there needs to be like a statement piece, countertop or something, and a light there, or maybe a piece of art, and that's like the fucking foyer. Wow, look at the house I just walked into. Bam, foyer shit. And I'm like, we're not just gonna have like a fucking place to put my shoes, a place for my fat ass to sit down. Like I'm sitting here thinking, I'm like, I need a shoe rack and a chair, right? Like I'm like, I need a shoe rack and a country ass chair for the foyer. But no, we have this crazy shit coming to the crib, and we got these lights. Let me show you these lights. And I learned all this from the chicks. This one, apparently this is pretty. I don't really know. Where the fuck is this light? But all right,
you know what's important for me? What colors did you go with, a white light or you got a yellow light? You give me yellow vibes.
I only do bright white. I will never put
That's kind of racist.
I will never put a yellow light in my house.
You don't fuck with the Orientals?
No, when it comes to lighting, I like to say if it ain't white, it ain't right.
Right.
If it ain't right. Yeah, right.
Yeah, bro. I'm like, I hate yellow light. It feels ghetto. I'm not gonna lie.
Yeah.
It feels hella ghetto.
Okay, so this is my foyer light. You guys ready for this? Now, all the dudes in the chat, hear me when I say this first. This is for my wife and my mother-in-law. I bought this light, so my mother-in-law walks in the house and goes, "Oh my God, this foyer is fucking beautiful." That's it. That's it. Because otherwise, I don't know how I feel about this design. But this is the light in my foyer. This is the new foyer light. Look at this thing. Now, apparently, this is what like gorgeous looks like. We had to buy custom light bulbs for it.
LED joints?
I don't know, Llama. I don't know what they are. Look at all the girls. Like, oh my God, beautiful.
Don't you got high ceilings?
No, not really. No.
I was about to say, how's your fat ass gonna change the bulb?
In the main room. It's 8 feet to 15 feet, so it's not that.
That's high as fuck, bitch. Like you living in a fucking castle. You see, I told you, Max trying to be humble, bro. You living in a fucking castle,
bro. It's called a vaulted ceiling. It's not that big.
Vaulted ceiling. What does that even mean?
A vaulted ceiling. All right, hold on. Now this other light. I did pick this one. Now this light is fire.
Oh my God! Look at the PD. Look at my chart, guys. Look at my fucking chart. Look at the PDH suite with the. Oh my God! I'm here looking about fucking light foyers.
Oh, that
fucking
orb,
fixtures.
That orb projection was crazy. If
you played talking about fucking foyers.
If you played that range break long, hold on. Now look at this. Is the dining room. Or no, I want to show you guys the dining light. Here we go. This is the dining room light.
Shit, bro, 'cause now I'm pissed.
Now this one I picked. Now this
foyer.
This foyer, no, not the foyer. Now this is the light over the dining room table.
Right,
Now,
right.
now
They're not called chandeliers.
no, it's not a chandelier. Chandelier is like a style. You know what I'm saying? This is the style. And I also realize as the older I get, I'm a little gay. Like I like the nice lights. You know what I'm saying?
Right. No, it's important.
I got hype as fuck when like we ordered my kitchen appliances. Like my kitchen appliances are fire, bro. When you see these things, you're gonna be like, yo, bro, I'm talking double oven, gold handlebars, matte white. Bro, I'm talking French doors on the double oven. You don't want to know. But bro, I'm just sitting here like, I love this. I'm gay.
Right.
Now this light here, llama, this light's a flex. All right. This light right here, this light's a flex. This is like some crystal ball type shit, but these are heavy. And you want these lights are heavy because it's got gold casing.
If you're here, I know you love the orb as much as I do. And that's why we came out with the Max Options Trading Orb Indicator with a little bit of Max's sauce so you can get the best entry possible. Check out the Max Options Trading Orb Indicator today.
All right, so these are crispy. This is the light I chose. I only got to choose one light in the entire fucking house. So this is the big one. All right, I want you to know it's 4.5 feet. So when you think about the size on the photo, it's big. So here, this is the light from my dining room. I think this is fire. So this is what I got for my my dining room right there. You like that?
Shit, ass twin.
Damn, for real? You dog me like that? You dog me like that? Damn.
I'm trying. It was pretty fire.
Low-key hella.
It was pretty fire. I just knew you really liked it, so I had to tell you it was ass.
Bro, I'm about to say something so
for this right here.
I'm about to say something so hella racist, dog. I'm about to fucking say the craziest slur you've ever heard in your life.
Let me hear.
Fucking lima bean, you fucking
lima bean, you.
Yeah,
bro, take that back, bro.
No,
that is hella fucked up.
But how much was that light, Bunny? I can't tell you how much that light was. Lighting is not cheap.
Crazy.
But Bunny, how much do you think the gold light was? 5K. You are close.
It said at least close. 4 bands.
It's more than 4. It's more than 5. Lighting's expensive. Yeah, it was closer to like $6,000 for that light.
For a fucking light. For a light mid.
Bro. For a light. For mid. That's crazy, bro. I'm about to say something crazy. You are pissing me off. You are seriously pissing me the fuck off.
No, I know. It feels good always doing that. You know, I can't wait till like those days where you talk about something so passionately and I just get to shit on him. Like I know I'm about to kill his vibe.
Ain't nothing wrong with that. With that. I'm gonna go ahead and stay right here. This is probably where we pop back up. It looks good for the.
I still like 920.
I think if it drops back below orb midline here, if we see a retracement, I'll drop one mini on this. And just see if SPX can fail the orb midline again. That's a lot of where my students at. Hey, where my students at? What's this mean? You ready? You know what I'm saying?
Okay.
You know what I'm saying? Hey, what's the guy's name from fucking yesterday? What's the fucking Canadian guy's name?
I don't know.
What's the fucking Canadian's guy's name? Moderators, where's my guy who's got to sing the national anthem? There's that rejection.
I forgot we had someone.
Hold on. There's that rejection right there. I really like it. I just need to see NQ to follow. If NQ follows a structure break here, if
this
we
is
get
a divergence as fuck though, bro. NQ's respecting top side midline. This is respecting bottom side midline.
NQ prints through 50. This short, I'm going in. It's definitely relatively strong.
And I'm gonna go.
You could take it right now and anticipate the move, but that's dangerous as fuck. I like to wait for confirmations of the move.
Yeah. I like to wait.
Because I do think that we're gonna ride this. I do think this short, it might have to ride down.
Super divergence for me, bro.
It doesn't look very good.
Once NQ does go, it goes.
I don't think so. I think it could go either way.
NQ on top.
It could go either way.
Yeah, it could go either way. It's what I'm trying to say. Fucking past 3 minutes.
It's actually the same exact setup from yesterday here.
Robin was his name. Robin.
Robin. Right. Okay, hold on. Which Robin? There was a bunch. No, it wasn't Robin 1310. That's what I'm saying. There's like 2 of these mugs, and they got the same screenshot. It was the other
2
Robin.
of these mugs. Yo, remember mug is a fucking, I don't know, people get offended by that in fucking
this fucking Canadian prick. You're not even on the show? You piece of shit. He didn't even log in. Everyone
he knew to not come on.
Destroy this guy's phone right now. Everyone, destroy this guy's phone. Tag him. Tag this fucking guy. Destroy his phone. I want him to get fired from work. He owes us the national anthem.
I'm not gonna lie, bro. Someone drove by yesterday singing the Canadian national anthem, bro, and I was like, "Fuck that gay ass anthem!"
No, you guys are tagging the wrong.
Stopped his car in the middle of the road.
Stop tagging the wrong Robin. The one I posted is the right Robin. Robin Trade 101. You dumbass.
Trade 101. Yeah. That one. Yeah, bro. I'm not gonna lie. That country is hella gay, bro. Hella gay. You see it popped, bro. I'm telling you, this show is mid.
We had a lot of fun though with the TPT boys. We had a lot of fun. Doc, did you ever find the footage at the zoo?
Yeah, he found it. He said he found it.
Oh, you found it?
You guys are blowing this guy's phone up, bro.
I want him to get fired. I want him to get fired. No, he owes us. He owes us. We made a fair fucking gentleman's bet. We made a fair gentleman's bet. What's fair is
Canada
fair.
is hella gay, Captain Sure, and I'll slap the fuck out of you. Just saying.
Okay. All right.
Weak ass anthem. That's
while
just
we're waiting for this guy, he's
Yes.
inevitably gonna log in. We're gonna be here for another hour and a half. We're gonna find his fucking ass. Logan, I need you. You're in charge. Find his fucking ass, Logan. Detain him, Logan. Detain him. You guys can stop spamming his name. Hold on. We have live footage of the animal that busted out of the fucking zoo. This is huge.
Oh, I actually watched a good ass movie the other day, bro. You know what movie I watched?
Hold on, shut up. I'm gonna take the short.
Take it in.
I'm gonna take the short and punch through. I just said I'm going to.
Bro, but take it right now.
No, I'm waiting for the
confirmation. That never did candle. That the next candle.
Waiting for the next candle. You're gay.
How many pieces of picanha you had yesterday?
Oh my god, 15.
Bro,
my boy,
that shit was bad, bro.
Yeah.
He was like, you just drop the whole shit on the plate. They just leave the whole thing.
I'm in it. I don't care about nothing. I don't care about nothing.
There it is, Maximus. You don't care, bro. Why would you care? Like, why would you really care?
I can't believe we didn't get
let's get real here.
Steak. I can't believe we didn't get a picture of the steak. It was so good.
Did I not record it? I'm not gonna lie, I was locked in. I didn't record anything. I was locked in. I was grubbing. Nah, I got no picture of it. I was grubbing.
You were what?
I was grubbing.
Pat, this guy's just messing with you, Pat. Relax, Pat. No one's gonna fuck with you in the cord, bro. No one's gonna mess with you here, Pat. This you could do as you go as you please, my boy. Jay Tito's dumbass is messing with Pat.
What'd he say?
I don't know, but I can see Pat's like, have I done something wrong? Have I done something? And Pat,
I done something,
like, nah, just messing. He called him a mug. Oh, he called him a mug.
No.
Don't you ever
called him a mug?
Nobody called.
Don't be calling him a mug, Tito. You mug. Fucking mug, bro. You fucking bloke.
Oh my god.
Fucking bloke.
My throat is absolutely devastated by last night's fucking game.
Chat's full of blokes.
Relative weakness like a mug. Damn it.
Like a mug.
Can't stop saying it. I can't stop saying it now. I can't stop saying it. There's a lot of relative weakness on NQ right now. SPX is actually testing a structure high, but NQ is flabbity dog ass. And so if SPX
it's respecting midline, bro. I think it's Bullo. I think it wants to go to 9 and then it wants to tank.
Yeah.
It's gonna go to like 900, 905, 910, and then it's gonna tank, and then I'll be like, oh my god, wow, how did I do that?
You think so?
Yeah, twin, I think so.
You think so? Even with this relative weakness right now? And the triple weakness?
Yeah, maybe. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, that's what I think. I don't know. ES is stronger than NQ today. ES is up 0.2, NQ is up 0.19.
Yeah, another ES has
NQ needs one. You know, NQ could have one candle to catch up the whole structure.
No, that's impossible.
NQ drops a 30-point candle right now, and that shit's fucking caught up.
If NQ drops a 30-point candle, then SPX jumps another $1. They move in relativity, idiot. How can one move and the other one?
No, there's times where one moves way crazier than the other, bro. They're not always correlating. It's not always correlating perfectly. That weak ass tape you got, I wouldn't even blend your shit in.
But no, why you always gotta go so personal, bro? My shit is blended, bro. It's just blonde, you bitch. It is blended. It's just blonde. Fucking piece of shit, dude. Gotta put my shit up in a man bun though, because
Right. Put it up in the middle, bro. Put it up in the middle. Fucking mug below Cuenca.
Llama.
What up, dude?
I'm up 140.
If this shit prints through, you're gonna sell?
I'm already in. I'm up 140.
All right, good. Yeah, I'm up 300 points right now.
Yep. Entry was at 60. I'm up 200 on 2 cons. I'm gonna trim if it breaks midline. No big deal, Llama. No big deal. And
You're him, bro.
Aquaman. Really? You think so? You guys think I look like Jason Momoa right now?
Nah, I don't see it.
Is that Jason Momoa? I kind of do look like Aquaman. Like, look at this photo. I'm telling you, I basically look at this. Look at this.
I don't see it.
Well, because my mustache is short. My mustache is short. Jason Mimosa, Jason Momofu, Jason Fat Bichoa, Timu version.
Is that a picture of my belly? That's a gif of me? Like, I would be trolling, bro. Like, how did you even make that?
Cooked? Why did I just get cooked?
Where's my phone exploding, bro? What does this girl want?
First price target. Hold on, get ready. First price target about to hit on this print through. Hold on. First price target's at like 49. If NQ prints through here, first price target. Bang, there it is. There it is. Trimmed one right there. Trimmed one con right there. I'm up 150 per con right there. Trimmed one at 270. Trimmed one at 270 on the break. There we go. There we go. Gonna put my stop loss all the way at break even at 60. No reason to go let a green trade go red ever. Stop loss at 60. No big deal. Let's get the continuation here. If SPX continues down through that towards that midline, this is done. This is done. Oh, I'm tapped. Never mind. That was a nice little fucking 270, baby. I like that. I like that. I like that. Probably gonna look to re-enter. I might re-enter it right here, to be honest. I don't wanna miss that continuation. I don't want to miss that continuation. I might re-enter right here.
Bro, it's never this candle. It's always the next, bro.
Nah, that wick was strong. If it flips, I'm in there. Double wickage. It's really just the SPX midline that we're waiting for. If the SPX midline breaks, NQ's gone.
Correct.
It's that easy. It's that easy. I'm going to set an alarm right here for the SPX midline, and that will be my take profit. Here we go. Oh, looking pretty close. Only about 70 cents away now. Don't let this treasy down, NQ, through the midline. Don't treasy down through that midline, you dirty little bitch. You dirty little bitch. Actually, let's move the alarm through. Let's move it through the midline because we want a full print through. We don't want to horse around. Oh no, I'm about to get stopped. Oh no. Oh no.
Never this candle. It's always the next, Max. You know better. Kind of proud. 0 trades. There you go, Jordan.
That's up.
You know we take 0 trades. If I'm in the middle of 2 of my levels, I don't take no fucking. I fucking sit here and fucking do nothing.
And you know what type of day this is? And this is sad to say, but in this range,
day.
This is a breakout day. NQ got a break structure. SPX absolutely going rippity towards the top of orb. SPX rippity towards the top of orb. Now, if SPX touches orb, the previous time it failed, and there's a lot of resistance.
Oh no, that's not it.
There's a lot of resistance up by 2021 on SPX. Let's see if that orb test fails or prints through here. This is going to be a real nice one here. Hold on. If this prints through, I'm going to do future strategy number 3. Oh, shit. Didn't even post the deals today. Didn't even post the deals. I'm tripping. Big Daddy Morning Show.
Gotta lock in, bruh. Lock in, not twin.
Live trading. We got those deals.
Yes, looking like it might finally break out of orb.
Right. And if it does, I'm going to take like a couple points.
I like 9-10. I've been saying this probably the whole entire fucking day, but we're chopping.
No, you haven't.
And
No, you haven't.
yeah,
You
I
haven't.
have.
You haven't.
Look, chat already confirmed.
No, you haven't.
Sorry.
No, he didn't.
Chat already confirmed.
Nope.
Chat was like, yeah, he did.
Nope.
I was like, yeah, I know.
Well, they're talking about my options. So they didn't talk about what you're talking about.
No. Look, there's the is breaking up.
Hold on. Wait for this candle closure.
Yep.
Here we go. Hold on.
Yeah.
Beautiful breakout. Beautiful breakout.
All right.
Watch this, Llama.
Right,
Watch
right,
this.
right,
Watch
right.
this.
Right.
Watch
I'm
this.
watching.
Watch this. You ready?
I'm watching.
Ready?
I'm watching.
You ready?
Yeah. I'm ready. Yeah.
Get ready. Hold on. Get
Yeah,
ready.
I'm ready.
Get ready. Hold
Yeah.
on. Get ready.
Ready. I'm ready to go.
Get ready.
I'm almost there. Go.
You ready?
Hold on, don't move. I'm about to finish.
What? What the fuck? Get ready. Watch this.
I'm ready, bro. Go.
Breaking orb high. Pushing through. Structure high right here.
ES already gave the break and retest. I would have been in.
NQ dragging that ass.
Dragon Dragon ass.
Let's see.
Oh
Ready?
my god, ES is ripping and NQ is fucking dojing. Watch the next one be crazy.
I'm telling you, get ready. Wait, get ready.
You got a Javi gift? Let me see this. Yo. Yo.
Damn, they did Javi dirty.
Yo, did you see that?
Llama, hold on. I'm banging this fucking short all in. I'm banging this short all in right
I
here.
thought you were going long.
No, but NQ is weak as fuck. SPX was gonna break back into orb. There's no relative strength on NQ.
That Javi gift is crazy.
Hold on, boy. Yeah.
Holy fuck, that was so funny. ES still sitting topside orb. Let's see what happens here.
Buy one at 67, buy one at 64, buy one at 61, buy one at 58.
Yes.
Watch the print through. Looking for a continuation. I want to fill the previous candle wick. I want to fill that previous candle wick.
That shit.
I'm currently up about 250.
Fill it then.
So
Fill
what?
it then, twin. Fill it then.
Now, if SPX makes a newer high, that trade's got to go. But if SPX don't break that orb, I might scale 10 cons.
Do it. You won't.
I said I might scale 10 cons.
I said you won't.
I said I might.
Bitch, I might be.
It's not financial advice. Nothing I do is financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. I'm the Big Daddy Max showing the Big Daddy Money Joe.
Right.
I'm Big Daddy Max filming the Big Daddy Money Joe. I think this right here, this is a major zone for SPX. This is a major zone. It's got room to run all the way up to 2131. But if it don't break 2131, this is bearish. And then Q needs to flip strength. It ain't got no strength right now. SPX breaks this structure low of 1870. I hope you're in it. I hope you win it.
This is giving me some AMD vibes. You know
Advanced micro devices.
No. Accumulation, manipulation, distribution. It looks like we're currently accumulating right
Are you gonna go into the next game? Oh, he's here. He's here.
Next game.
He's here. I've come for mine. I've come for my payment.
What's up, everybody? Big Daddy Max here. Imagine if we simplified trading for you to where blue means up and purple means down. Well, that is what the quantum shift indicator does. If you're not going to do one and done like Big Daddy Max preaches and you want to scalp all day long, at least be smart and use the quantum shift indicator. Simplify your trading and be successful today.
Robin.
Let me fucking hold on.
Robin.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the show, Robin.
Robin. Cameras on, Robbie. They said he's wiping his tears off. Hold on.
It was a rough night for them. It was a very, very, very rough night for them. So I would imagine he's not in the best mood. He's gonna be.
Yeah. He's gonna be in a bad mood.
He's a nice Canadian guy though, so maybe he's not.
Right. He's probably finishing up his Tim Hortons real quick.
Come on. Ooh, SPX breaking range. That's a full fucking takeout, baby. Oh no, it tapped. It just tapped. Hold on. A full print through. That's a breakout. Very nice long. Hold on. NQ still dragging hella ass. Robin, my boy.
With the hat on?
With the hat. Lord.
He made sure to go fucking find that hat, take the dust off of it, and put it on just for this.
Nice job, Robin. Robin, I was at the game with Llama. The crowd was electric. It was an unbelievable game.
Terrible.
Wow. What a game.
I want to clear the air with your chat. Your chats are a bunch of hard asses. You're giving me a hard time about my posters. I'm in my boys' game room, not my room.
Dude, don't listen to them. They're fucking idiots. Don't listen to them.
Don't never read the chat.
They're all
a bunch of
idiots.
Don't read
dumbasses.
the chat.
Yeah,
They're a fucking bunch of idiots. Hold on. First price target hit right here. I'm up 3 hundo. First price target was just tapped. Little bounce back up, but first price target was just tapped. Don't listen to the chat. They're a bunch of fucking, look at them. There's 1,174 idiots who are watching.
I said, welcome 51st state.
Yeah. Robin, it was not Edmonton's best game. I got to tell you, watching them live, they looked dirty. They looked
It was
nasty.
embarrassing.
It was embarrassing. Connor McDavid was getting fucking rocked. He couldn't even get the puck moving. But I gotta tell you, they looked like absolute dog shit, the Edmonton. And then they were playing so dirty at the end. They were playing so dirty at the end.
Yeah, it was actually upsetting.
Hold on. Whoa. I'm up over 540 and cruising. I'm gonna move two partials to break even. Moving two partials to break even, and we're gonna let that ride a little bit. Robin, hold on. Let me put another alarm for my next take profit zone.
They went to brawl, not to play correct.
Bro,
Yeah, they just wanted to fight. They didn't want to play hockey after that.
Right. By the end of the third period, it was just nasty.
Why is as soon as it was a minute into the game, we were in trouble.
Yeah. Oh, yeah. That Marshy goal right off the jump was insane. And it was just.
You guys ran Skinner out.
Dude, you should have heard the crowd, bro. We were.
The crowd was going crazy.
Because we're behind the Skinner. And then when he got benched, the fucking crowd erupted. They're banging the glass the whole way. I told Lama, I was like, if I was a goalie like in that environment, I would need like 30 Xanaxes. I would need like 30 Xanaxes. There's no shot I would be able to even fucking play in that environment. So, but yeah, it was a great game. I'm very, very happy that we got to go to a Stanley Cup game. We had great seats where the Cats shot twice, and we got to watch a fucking ass whooping. And I like it. I liked it. I think it was the best thing. I'm sorry, hey, listen, the TPT CEO and COO, we were there hanging with them, James and Matt, and they're great fucking people, and they're diehard. Matt's a diehard Edmonton fan. He's from Saskatchewan. Hold on. I'm up another 440, and second price target did not actually hit here. We're going to wait for the continuation. I want to see 65 is my next price target there. But we're looking.
That was your one freebie anyway.
We're on the short here. We're on the
Those
short.
One freebie.
Last night was your freebie.
No, I'm going to tell you what's going to happen. And I've been saying this since the jump. I've been saying Cats in 5, and I truly mean that. I do think the momentum is insane. I think the Cats have so much depth because you got to remember our third line, Sam Bennett scored 12 goals this playoff, and he's a hitter. You know what I'm saying? I mean, we just have depth right now, Robin. You got to admit, the longer this goes, Edmonton does not have a good chance of winning, and they rocked. Second price target. Second price target, absolutely smacked right there at 65. Another fucking profit off the board. Hold on. I am killing the game right now. Hold on. We are getting paid and we are having fun with Big Daddy Robin here. We got filled on 2 of the partials there. One for 101, one for 156. And my next price target is down at 62. 62 is my next price target to take profit. Robin, we made a gentleman's bet yesterday, did we not? And we did. And I appreciate your honesty because we have footage. We have 1,000 people here that saw it. We have it all, Robin. We got you. We got you here. We got you. So
you're fucked.
You let me know how you want to go about this, Robin. You have to sing the United States national anthem. And I would like you to not disrespect it, just give it a good national anthem. And we had a gentleman's bet.
Right.
I'll do my best.
You can play. Right. Do you have? If you want to play like an instrumental or something,
I got one.
Yeah, you want to play a little instrumental?
Nice.
All right.
Ready to go.
Well, I got one in my ear.
Okay.
All right, Lama, you're getting a bad echo again. Here we go.
You guys can stop recording right now, though.
Yeah, we'll turn it off.
Ladies, all right, hold on. Everyone, turn off the recordings.
Yeah,
all right,
I just paused everything.
Give it up for the one and only Edmonton Oilers #1 fan, Robin Trades.
All right.
And we need that on here.
Can you see by the dawn's early light, we so proudly we hailed, and the twilight's last gleam, stars and bright stars
through.
Pick it up.
Light as we watched. Sorry, I'm trying to follow along in his words here. Rockets, red glare, and the bombs bursting in air gave proof to the night, and the flag was still there. Saved us that banner wave, the land of the free, and the home of the Braves. I was terrible, but I did my best. That's the first time I've ever sang.
Ladies and gentlemen, USA, 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 USA. Listen, when you become the 51st state, that is going to be a beautiful. You're gonna get it down packed because they're gonna play it at every Oilers game. I heard a lot of those last night. What was that? Beautiful job.
They gotta cut out on the cat meowing. They do too many of those meows.
And I will let you know, just so everyone makes it clear, everyone in the stadium sung the Canadian anthem and cheered after. That's the kind of respect they got in Florida. Everyone sung the Canadian anthem and cheered because they gave respect. They got respect. Whoa!
Yeah. I only called the gate once.
Second price target, absolutely fucking schmacked here. That one might be over 200. That one might be over 200 for the game. I'm just sitting here trimming cons, having fun. No big deal. They gave the respect to Canada because when Canada becomes the 51st state, we want to have good blood there. We want to make it a smooth transition. Hey, listen, and when I can cross the border without a passport, I'm going to go up there and travel and spend all my fucking bread and boost the economy. I'm sure a lot of people are. It's going to be great. So, Robin, listen, thank you for being a man of your word, coming on here and singing one of the worst renditions of the national anthem I've ever heard. How are you trading? Oh, second price target, absolutely smashed right here. We're going for the next one, all the way down by 55. I'm gonna hold this bad boy. Actually, we're gonna go to 58.50 for the. I got two left. We're gonna go to 58.50. I just trimmed my third one right there, third price target. I told everyone what it was. And we're currently up 50 per con. I made 211, 156, and 101.
Video on that boy.
There's another 400 there. There's another 400 there. Everyone's talking about I'm not trading this chop when Big Daddy Max has just been sitting here for fucking 20 minutes just having fun, snagging. I'm not even looking at the charts.
Zero trades. No, I'm not taking it.
The relative weakness is so crazy on NQ that you could just trade it. You could just trade it every pop. You just trade the drop. Robin, wonderful job.
Robin,
where are you? Robin, where are you?
Much respect,
from?
bro.
Where are you from?
Edmonton.
You're from
Sherwood Park.
You're from you're from the heart of fucking the Oiler country. Wow. Okay. Are you a trader?
I try.
You try. How are you profitable? Okay. What do you think the number one reason is why you're not profitable?
I'm too scared to pull the trigger sometimes, and I miss out on the move.
Okay.
I just posted a video on Instagram today about that. And if I were you, I'd go watch it. I'd go watch it. Literally about that. That's crazy.
I don't have a problem once I'm in taking profit. It's just getting in.
Yeah.
But I'm working on it.
Find your balance is what I captioned it. You need to find the balance of being a bitch and being greedy. You have to be both. People think like, I'm a bitch. I don't get into trades. And then people think like, I'm too greedy. I never get rid of trades. You need to be both. You have to know when to be a bitch and sit out. Like me today, I've sat out all day. And when to be greedy and hold a trade and let it run till your price target, depending where it is. You know, like you need to find that balance. You're trigger shy, and it's probably lack of confidence and lack of education where you don't really know what you're looking at. So you don't know when to get into trades or have the confidence to get into them.
Anything
and for the people asking for my Instagram, it's right here on the fucking screen that I display to everybody. Right
Anything
here.
else, Dr. Phil, you want to fucking throw his way? Maybe you want to talk about his parents.
Yeah, are your parents still together? Good. Okay. He's no family.
Let's see. Solid foundation there. Solid foundation.
Yeah.
Any uncles that you don't talk to anymore? Oh,
Right.
Oh,
right,
wow. Okay. Listen, Robin, and what are you currently trading? You're trading props?
Yeah, props. I use TPT.
TPT.
I got two
nice.
on, and I got a pro.
You got a pro right now?
I'm not touching it right now. Had a few bad days.
Okay, good.
Smart.
Hey, good for you. Lock it away, and fucking wait for a better day to jump in. And so, what evals are you trading right now?
I'm just using 25Ks.
25Ks.
Okay.
Yeah.
Playing real small. Nice. What's the size of your average trade? What cons do you normally like to jump in?
I'm doing. I do like 6 micros to 10.
Okay.
On a 25K.
On a 25K, that's steep. That's pretty good.
If it hits a resistance line and I know it's going to turn, I'll jump it up to 10. But if it's kind of in the middle, like ranging, I'll do 6 or 5.
I like that. I like that you're changing the amount of contracts based on the setup and the risk to reward setup. They're very nice, Robin. That's pretty badass. I like that a lot. And with your 25K accounts, are you scaling out of these contracts fairly quick? Because that is pretty good size, 1 mini on a 25K.
I just trail my stop kind of like halfway on the candle before.
Yeah.
And
What's your average
it
loss and your average gain size?
Average loss, I'd say 150 to 200, and then gains around the same, I think 300.
Oh, so you're rocking maybe closer to a 2-to-1 risk to reward. Pretty damn good. Pretty good. You got to change it up a little bit. The risk to reward's got to be fat. If you're going heavy, you gotta reduce risk. You gotta reduce risk quickly with on TPT as well. When you get to those pros, that's an intraday trailing. So that's tough. So if you let a green trade go red and you're on a mini, you're gonna have a hard time recouping that.
On the pro, I trail my stop closer just so that doesn't pull back.
And when you say you trail your stop, are you using an ATM setting or are you just manually following?
Manually trailing it.
And so what's the definition of tight to you?
Within the same candle, I guess.
Oh, within the same candle. So if the candle breaks out
at the bottom of the current candle.
Okay, so you enter on a breakout or something like that of a range or support and resistance, and then you just move your stop right to the bottom of the candle.
But if it's one of those freaking fast wicked candles up or down, then I kind of move it with it so it doesn't pull back on me.
Right, like an impulse candle or something like that.
Yeah.
Very cool. Hey, Robin, you seem like you have a solid system. So it's just the risk management. It's the not the risk management. It's the emotional side, right? You said you're getting greedy and you're not confident in pulling that trigger.
I like to see it hit a resistance line,
right?
Like a pivot point,
right? Your entry model, right? But obviously, it's the next point that's the issue. Like Llama said, Llama actually hit it perfectly. They're very nice. Very cool, Robin. Robin, solid work, my guy. Solid work. Well, listen here, Robin. You're a man of your word. You came up here. We had to. Does your phone have Discord alerts on by chance?
It does.
Did you happen to get any alerts earlier?
I was actually dropping a car off at a mechanic shop, so I was driving.
And did you hear anything or see anything different or?
No, I'm pretty sure you probably trash talked us.
No. I'm just saying that because we tagged you 400 times in the chat.
Oh.
Yeah.
I didn't see those.
You didn't see that?
Oh.
Oh, no. Fuck. I was hoping
it was they probably tagged the wrong Robin.
I came on as soon as they got home. I knew you were waiting.
Yeah, no.
They tagged the wrong Robin then because it was 400 notifications.
There must have been at least 400. Yeah, he must have muted noties or his phone must be on vibrate because I had everyone in the chat, 1,000 people here spamming your name. And I was like, blow his fucking phone up. Hey, whoever's talking shit, you can't talk shit. Your team's not even in the Stanley Cup. 1 and 2, you're gay. So I mean, it's real quite and simple. I don't know. He said people were talking shit about that's his son's room. That's
oh no, I saw it. People were like, you too grown to have those posters up.
It's his fucking kid's room. It looks like a kid's room. He's got a little look at the little basketball hoop.
I think that's why they were saying it, because it looks like a kid's room.
Oh.
Why people be assuming on the internet?
Why is your internet? Why are you trading in your kid's room?
Well, I made him a game room, so I put 240-inch screens on the wall, so I kind of use all the charts up here.
Oh, so he's got a nice setup. What do you do for work?
He's got a nice ass setup, and these guys are on a laptop.
I'm in the oil and gas. I don't know if you know where, Fort McMurray.
You're from Edmonton, and you're in the oil industry. Seriously?
Shocker, isn't it?
You fucking are the real deal, my guy. Wow, I've actually
it's a shocker there, bud.
You're actually
a real shocker there, bud.
It's
you really shocked me there, bud.
It's like, oh God, I'm such a fucking Connor McDavid fan. I can't. It hurts. It's
actually
amazing.
like Hyman better.
Wow, poor Hyman tore his hymen, and he's out for the rest of the season. So thank God for us. That was a huge hit for you guys, and that whole line. So really happy that happened. I'm in the profit again, you idiots. All right. Well, Robin, listen, you've been a great sport. You're a good dude, man. And we appreciate the competition. You're a man of your word. And you're not going to get a 150K TPT account, but we did get a beautiful rendition of the United States National Anthem.
But I should have watched the video that the words were actually already on instead of trying to follow them when they popped up.
Right. Yeah, you could have definitely.
It was my bad.
You
should have looked up the Fergalicious.
To be honest with you, I wasn't expecting to do this because I thought we had a win, but
after the second period, you knew you were coming to sing.
I almost turned it off.
After the second period, I have a firm 4 goals down, and the TV or I'm off. I'm done. I'm not watching that. I'm not watching that. Well, listen, you did great, my friend, and we appreciate you. Yep, you're not going to win a 150K TPT account, but I will give you a 50K TPT account just as a.
Hey,
I like this guy.
awesome.
I like this guy. I was going to say the same. I like this guy.
Man of your word. You watched the show, came up here,
Yep.
did a terrible job, but
Terrible,
you
but
know,
I
and
did it.
a little pick me up because you are the most Edmonton person I've ever spoken to, and to watch that game last night, it must have been hard. It must have been tough. Must have been tough because that was like the most brutal ass kicking I think I've ever seen Edmonton take.
How do you go from having 2 games in OT to that?
I don't know. But you got to
It makes
remember.
no sense.
Hold on, now you got to remember. We went up 3-0 last season in the cup, and then we
Yes.
got blown the fuck out by 8 goals. So, like, how does it? You know what I mean? Hockey's a great sport. We're almost near another price target here. I'm probably going to trim a little bit at 63.25. Robin, my man, open a support ticket. You're a great dude. We appreciate you and watching the show. Cats in 5, baby, and we'll get you that 50K account.
Cool. Thanks.
Get
Nice
off my
guy.
damn stage.
Nice guy.
Nice guy, bro.
He wasn't.
I wanted to give him the 50 no matter what. He's a nice guy. He actually came up. He sang fucking terribly, but he sang,
Right.
And
But
it's respect, bro. Gotta love the game.
he sung absolutely terrible.
Yeah.
It really upset me when the national anthem. I don't know. Logan, where's Logan? Logan, this is one. I don't know if this is just me, but in the military guys, I don't know you military. You still fuck with the national anthem though, right? Like when you play it, you just a little hand over the heart, you fucking just sit there and sing it a little bit. I don't know why, but the fucking national anthem gets me hyped still. I had goosebumps last night, bro. The whole stadium was screaming. Now, I'm not just talking about singing, screaming the national anthem. And it was so fucking, the environment last night, Llama, that was, I know you don't go to a lot of games, but the environment last night, that was the most hype live crowd I have ever seen.
The show was different.
In Panther
like goosebumps
Stadium.
when you're there.
Bro, when they were screaming the national anthem, I'm talking about like people were fucking wailing it. And I was getting goosebumps, bro. I was getting goosebumps. Yeah, it was nuts, bro. I faced the flag. I do the hand on the heart. It was great. Well, the Florida Panthers, every game, they do a salute to service. Last night, they had a 101-year-old Army Air Corps World War II pilot. And this dude was
101 years old.
Bro, you could tell my boy, he's one of them killers, my boy. He's like, we did 28 missions.
Was it Greg?
Yeah, no, he said
wasn't Greg.
He said we did 28 missions. We did 28 missile approved missions. He's one of those, he was just sitting there smiling and waving.
It was looking good, bro. I'm not gonna lie, he was looking good, bro. For 101.
101, he looked crazy, right? But bro, this fucking guy, I'm telling you, hold on, getting real close to a price target here. Actually, another contract tapped right here. We're up over 300. Another contract tapped right here. Hold on. 58 is going for another contract where I'm tapped out. If you guys hear the alarm, I just scaled 6 contracts for profit. Hold on. If you hear the alarm go off, that's my last contract. That's hella funny. Just playing the range on the short side. But yeah, it was unbelievable. But 28 missile approved missions. He must have just been like fucking mowing them down. Logan, I know you're like German and everything, but fucking losers, you know what I mean? This guy must have fucking crushed some Nazis because he was like, yeah, we get on the bird. And he's like, when I got out of the military, I didn't want to stop. He was like, I didn't want to stop. He's like, I fucking got a job with Pacific to fly something else. And he's like, you could tell. He was one of those guys. It's like we got 500 Nazis on the ground. We got a whole battalion of Nazis, and this guy just fucking clear. You know what I'm saying? He's one
clear.
of them. Yeah, one of them. One of them silent fucking. One of them silent fucking. Don't ever look back. Don't ever look back.
Right,
one of these, Llama. Yeah.
Clear.
All clear.
All clear.
Nasty work.
Nasty work.
Oh fucking god, bro.
Good time. Great time. It was so good. I'm telling you guys, when we were hanging out with the boys over at TPT, we also made a friendly wager. We had a friendly wager with the boys. After the first period, whoever had the lead, loser had to buy drinks. So, of course, James and Matt had to buy drinks. They had to buy drinks. Nice friendly wager. It was a great time. We had a blast. It was really nice. We had some fun, chatted. We talked a lot of shit, me and Llama.
Yeah. Like first, what else do they expect, you know? I like them. I feel like those type of CEOs is perfect for us because they're locker room guys. They're hockey players. Yeah. Those guys play hockey. So when we came in fucking swinging and talking shit, they were loving it. It's not like they weren't suits. They weren't like guys in fucking suits like, oh shit, fuck, look at these guys. No, they were like fucking like, oh, the show's amazing. Like, you guys you're the real deal. We're like, yeah, you know, fuck you. You know? So.
Yeah, it was
those guys.
Good dudes, man. I really like them. It's great. It's just a good company, bro. Good dudes.
I forgot I said that yesterday. Llama, did you hit the vet with your line? I love giving a vet PTSD. Forgot I said that. Oh man, yeah, that was funny.
It's like you get them paid. They like you because you get them paid. Hey, it's called mutual business interests.
Right.
Business interests with TPT. Plus, they bet we give away more fucking TPT accounts than anybody in the goddamn world. We be throwing these TPT accounts loose. Hey, remember this. Mm-hmm. Remember this. Fuck all of you. Me and Llama don't gotta give away shit. Me and Llama don't got to give away nothing. With 120 bands? 120 bands.
Isn't it higher? Like, what? It's almost 130.
128 bands. We don't got to give away shit. No, I'm pissed off. I'm pissed off now.
We could have both had a salary.
Bro, we could have made an annual salary. We could be up 64K. You know how much money I could have made from all of those pros? You know how many cash accounts I could have if I had 64 G's? Worth of fucking
I don't want to talk about it anymore. Just don't. Like, I'm here still struggling, bro, in the streets, and we're here just giving out this much bread.
You bought a $60,000 watch. You had on 3 tennis bracelets last night. He had on 3 tennis bracelets.
You saw that?
He had a $60,000 Rolex. He had his fucking chain on, and he drove his $100,000 Porsche right up to the restaurant, to the valet.
168.
And he's talking about we struggling out here. I'm in the streets. We struggling. Yeah, he got them ugly ass veneers. Another 20,000 in his mouth. Unreal. And he upped his course price. Yep, and he's upping the price on you guys. Yep,
I'm upping the price, bro. I'm up with the fucking price, bro. I'm in the trenches, bro. Like, people don't understand what the trenches are, bro. I'm in the trenches right now.
You know, you fucked everybody when you did that.
Did I?
Because I have to raise my price higher now.
Exactly.
You kind of fucked everybody.
Look, here's the thing is bro, when I seen the amount of profitability coming from the course, like when I seen these people just fucking making their bread back within the first 2 weeks, I'm like, okay,
bro,
the value's there. And then once I seen the amount of traction that the pre-morning, like the pre-market, bro, like when I'm giving them pre-market, I'm walking them through the course basically daily. So now instead of them just like, you know, like there's certain people that can learn from like a course, and then there's certain people that need that hands-on work. I'm giving that hands-on work daily. So now it's an accelerated learning with continuated learning. It's not just like buy the course and fuck off. They're getting continuated learning. Giving them handies, fucking like everyone here, you're gonna learn today, you know. So
future strat number 3 for all of my students, real quick, Llama side. Take the top of the range, trim out at the bottom of the range, stop loss on the last break of the range. Does everyone see how easy that is? You see how fucking easy that is?
That's how you play chop. I think I talked about this yesterday.
Future strat number.
You're in a box. You sell the top and buy the bottom.
Future strat number 3. Does everyone see how fucking future strat number 3 works? It is so simple. You guys make this shit way too fucking hard. I'm telling you.
Yeah.
Pat, I'm gonna do Llama. You can take whatever you want. Listen, I don't care if you buy my course or not, but Llama fucked all of you because there's
no. So I thought about it yesterday.
I truly believe that my course. Don't take this the wrong way, Llama. I'm not an ICT guy. I'm not an ICT guy. I think the Max Way is the most perfect body of work, that course. I think it's the most perfect body of work. I can say that confidently because I have look at Llama and look at Logan and Hobby. Look at Logan and Hobby. That's two of my students that learn nothing but that. Look at all my boys posting gains on orange names. Like obviously the Futures One students fucking really got the sauce. You know what I'm saying? But if I truly believe the value is there and you're raising your shit, and I'm like, there's no way his shit's better than mine, you fucked everybody. Because now I'm going to like 22, 23.
You don't want to go course for course. I'll up my shit to 25.
I'm
only upping it $200 though. But look, here's the thing. Yesterday, when I sent that message out, I seen a lot of people saying they've been saving up and they were gonna buy this week. So now I'm like, do I give them an extra week before raising it $200? Like, is it $200 really that?
I never learned from anyone. I learned trial and error. I had my own money and I jumped right in, and I never learned options from anyone. I learned options buying all on my own. I learned support and resistance first. That was it. And then I fucking, through trial and error and lots of gains and lots of losses, I started practicing and developing my own strategies and wear patterns. And then I back tested and I back tested and I back tested and I back tested and I back tested. And that's how it worked. No, if you want to learn my option selling strategies, that's a whole nother fucking, that's a whole nother beast. That's a whole nother beast of profitability. Is there any of my option sellers even here? I feel like we go so ham on the futures now. Where my option sellers are just like, Vic, you still rocking the Max Way? Where's my option selling the Max Way? The OGs who got the option selling the Max Way. Yeah, I know. I know all my staff. I know Jake. Jake's my student. So Jake's my student. So there's a good example right there. Another person who's a professional trader. Yeah, the SPX Maxway is pretty nasty work. Yuck be selling. I know you keep selling, Yuck. Good shit, Zal. You know, Zal's killing the game. Zal, we know you're killing the game. You keep putting in the effort, bro. The option selling is my bread and butter. You guys know I made all my money. The reason I was able to trade and not go broke, even when I was fucking up, was because of the consistent option selling and building an account through option selling. It's actually the key. And now if you guys are interested in option selling, I think we have a guest. I think we're having the automation guys come on the podcast today. I'm pretty sure the automation boys, we
podcast today?
Podcast 5 o'clock.
I need to go take a nap, bro.
Yeah.
There's no way. I forgot we do that today.
5 o'clock, baby. We got work to do. 5 o'clock. Option selling paid for my
wedding.
wedding.
Exhausted, bro. I'm actually exhausted.
Yeah, I'm gonna probably have to take a nap. All that shit's gonna be fun. The pod will be good. These dudes are smart. Where do you meet Ben, Llama? Have you ever met Ben? The bot is live. You can get the Max bot. The Max bot is live. That thing's rocking. There's even the Max bot alerts. You can get the alerts from the Mac. You can get all the proprietary strategies. We alert them. That's actually private though. We do have a private subscription, the SPX alerts. Saw you do a reaction to Aristotle. Did I do a reaction to Aristotle? Maybe a while ago, right?
Probably a while ago. I haven't seen one ever.
Well, he's a vet, bro. He's an army vet. People try and shit on Aristotle, but he's an army vet who made millions, so I'm never gonna shit on that. Yeah, I'm never gonna shit on that.
Can you buy pre-market by itself? No, you can't.
No.
Sir, you cannot. I'm trying to keep pre-market as small as possible.
Should we should we give away another account?
Yeah, I do want to give away another account. Let's bring somebody up.
We should do an interview. We had Robin. That was from yesterday though. We should do Robin. I mean, we should do someone else.
No, we never only, like, if we brought someone up without random number, then we have to still do random number. That's right. The rule.
I feel like the random number, we have to do something random.
It has to be random. Like we gotta give one to a random person.
We're never gonna hit those clips. That hoe was trying to hit on me earlier. I'm married.
Pulled out the red one today. Stop fucking playing with them boys.
You know I had them Florida Panthers. Hey, you know I had the Florida Panthers wrist and ring on deck. Look at that. Look at that. You know I came to that Florida Panthers game. Llama, I was hit on by 2 women in the chat today. 2 of the ladies were macking on Thebigdaddymax. I just joined the Mastermind before he raises it. Yeah, say thanks, Llama. You fucked me. Thank you, Llama, for fucking everybody. No, Llama.
You're welcome, Max. You're welcome, Max. You're welcome.
2 of these ladies were hitting on me today, and I'm about to ban their asses. How dare they?
Oh, how dare they disrespect?
Guys, nothing we do is financial advice. We are not financial advisors. We are. Do you still? Yes, I do one-on-one coaching sessions. They are $1,000 each for an hour. That is true. Nothing we do is financial advice. We're not financial.
That coaching shit is rough.
Damn, why Kendrick posting a picture of Kyle like that? Why is he posting a picture of Kyle like that?
Fucking Kyle.
What the fuck? Oh man, Kyle like that. Let's get someone up here. Random number generator 1 through 830. Bro, you know me.
1K an hour. Damn, charging more than a doctor. A doctor's not going to teach you how to make money.
You ever seen 818? God damn, 818.
Pick up a Dominican. Oh, got a guy. First auto 101 was 10 racks. Yeah, my 101s are going to 10 racks. I had it at 5. That's closed off, bro. That shit is done. I'm not doing that shit no more. Promise you. Aristotle should be charging way more. And he probably is.
Fong. Truck Fong. Truck, a Mastermind student. Very nice. A Mastermind student. Truck Fong. Truck Fong.
Q is not charging. Q doesn't do 101s. And he's actually charging 12.5 per group. And you get 1 45-minute call a week. Actually, a month.
Yeah, Q charges
1 45-minute call for a month and it's 12,500.
Yeah, that's can't even get for 1K. You can't even get through the door to Q Banks.
1K doesn't even get you his course. 1K doesn't even get you the course.
Yeah, Q's nasty.
Yeah, Q's.
Well, there it is.
I'm gonna go link with Q today. Actually,
final price target was 52.25. If anyone still held those in the range, 52.25. Truck Fong, welcome. Welcome to the Big Daddy Morning Show. Cameras on. You got to go, baby. A Mastermind student. I love when my students get ready. Very nice. Very nice.
You turn the camera on.
I wish I could answer that.
There's a camera button.
Yeah, there's a camera button. Here you go.
Yo. What happened?
Waiting for Llama. Llama.
Oh.
The fuck is that?
I'm fucking daydreaming piece of shit. Oh, Jesus Christ. I'm sitting here all day.
I was reading the chat.
Fuck the I included the chat. Truck, what's going on? Is it Truck? Is it cool if I call you Truck? Truck's a cool name.
Yeah.
Oh.
What's in that bag? What's in the bag?
Your boy got breakfast?
You know
size of my fucking head.
What is that?
I'm a boner.
What is that?
Right. What is it? You want to know what it is?
Yeah.
Let's do our interview.
Truck, 1 second. Stand by real quick. No. Let's do a food reveal. Hold on. That was huge. And I know you never heard that before.
You're right.
Show me that. Come on. Show us the money.
This shit, just know, Max, if I ever wanted to unalive you, I could do it with this sandwich right here.
What is that? Move the paper.
Hold on, son. I got you, son. Croqueta sandwich.
Pork?
It's called a croqueta preparada.
It's a croqueta is ham. It's got the ham and like potato thing.
No.
Oh, show me the pull. Keep pulling. Keep pulling. Oh, fuck yeah, Danny.
Oh, should we do the first bite?
Yeah, one bite. Yeah. Give us one, but a big one. Big. Yeah. Oh. Oh, fuck. Oh, fuck. Squeeze it. Squeeze. Where's he going? Oh, no, he didn't. No, he didn't. Damn. You know that shit's hitting. Damn. You know that shit's hitting when my boy hits the fucking nah da 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 da. Very nice, Llama. I gotta tell you, beautiful job on that presentation. Beautiful job. I'm drooling.
Whoa.
All right, Truck. Hey, Truck. How's it going? Where are you from?
Texas.
Okay.
Actually, originally I'm from New Orleans, but
you from now?
Yo, he said New Orleans.
Yeah.
He's really from New Orleans.
You really from fucking?
Did you hear me said that?
You're Cajun.
Yeah, born and raised.
You like that one?
You said he's Cajun?
You like that?
Yeah, you ever heard of like Cajun agents?
No, you just Cajun. You like that?
Bro, you snapped, twin. That boy said, "Oh, you're Cajun."
That's right.
That was crazy. Hey, clip that. Hey, what about people like
that? Was crazy.
That was crazy. So my boy Truck, what's going on, baby? You're a Mastermind student. How long you been trading for? Whoa, final price target hit on the short. Final price target hit all the way from the top of orb to the bottom there. If you guys held,
you're Cajun.
And kept adding into that short. Congratulations, everyone. That's total over $1,000. Truck, How long you been trading, baby?
Roughly about a year, something like that.
What?
It's like
What?
off and on.
Are you one of my OG masterminds?
Yeah, I was actually with you back in the day
OG, right.
in
Let
the
me
old
ask-
max options when you had one with booty.
Oh, you've been with me for a
Booty.
while, so you've been with me
Yeah,
before.
yeah.
Oh,
But I've been
shit.
just off and on, not like consistent,
I
you
was
know.
gonna say no, but I was gonna say I recall your name. I believe seeing you in the chat because we had a very strong Asian presence with Booty and Sean and fucking
Yeah.
we had an Asian squad up in here.
Yeah, but I've been off and on, but been busy and stuff, so
Yeah, very good trucks. That's very awesome. So you know all the option selling strategies. We were just talking about that. You doing any option selling or no?
I've been doing like the SPX 0 day. Every now and then I do the other day,
Right.
the 1 day.
Right. And those are hidden.
Yeah,
Those are
yeah.
so nice. Those are nice.
Those are cool. I mean, I think those more like it. I've been trying futures, but man, it's just
What's going on?
too fast.
It's
Like I'll get on a roll and I'll hit some
too
profits
fast.
for a little while,
yeah,
and
it's
then every once in a while it just gets in like a roll, and then I just go and tilt.
right. Well, tell why are you getting emotional? Come on now. What does Big Daddy Max like to say?
I know, don't get emotional, just to shut it off, but
Damn, you're fucking Cajun for real. I can hear that accent thick.
Oh, for real?
Yeah, you got a thick ass accent. What do you do out there in Texas, Truck?
I work on a chicken farm, man.
You work with what?
On a chicken farm.
It's an actual like chicken farm, or is it like one of them buildings where they just got like a million?
Yeah,
of them
it's like a chicken farm.
What do you do at the farm, the chicken farm?
It's like I raise the birds, raise the chickens.
You raise them?
Like you know how like the supermarket, like they have like like Tyler and Sanderson and
Right.
Yeah. I grew up in one of those companies.
Okay. You been doing that a while?
Yeah, the last couple of years.
Damn, you country as hell, Truck. You country ass Cajun. We're all chicken farm, yeah.
It's all good, man.
Hey, chickens are fast, but the market's faster.
Yes, sir.
So what's going on? What's going on? Yeah, we found the plug. We got the chicken plug, guys. We got the chicken plug. We got the chicken plug. He's about to start sneaking some chickens out the back, baby. I'll tell you right now, not this house because I don't have enough land. I don't have enough land, but if I get another house with more land, I'm 1000% gonna be having my own chickens in my own chicken coop.
You don't need that much space, man.
Yeah, you don't need that much. You can move them around.
No, my brother.
That boy Q just caught 12 chickens for the compound.
Bro, for the compound, he don't live there. He don't gotta hear those motherfuckers in the morning.
I thought they make noise. I thought it was just roosters.
Bro, chickens are loud as hell, and they stink. Their coop fucking stinks.
He said he about to start busting out 200 eggs a month. I said, bro, I'm gonna go. I might get 2 dozen.
Oh my god, bro. Truck, you need to be hustling, Truck. You ain't pulling some eggs off the side, doing a little side business. Bro, you know how much I buy a carton for of organic free range eggs in fucking South Florida right now? Bro, $12.99. $12.99 for the eggs I buy for a 3-pack, bro. 30 eggs.
Dude,
Max, can you do me a favor?
What's that?
Can you just
read on the weekends?
Can you just read what Rastaman said?
Can I read what?
Can you just read what Rastaman said?
How much him want?
No. Don't do that. Put the accent on. Read it how he said it.
Right. How much him want for one of the chicken?
No, what did he say? No. Remember, Jamaicans don't put an H, so it's ow. How much him want fee of 1D chicken?
How much him want the 1D chicken? Bomba Club!
What a rise! And he sounded Italian.
Let's get back to chicken talk. Truck, I'm so interested in this. I'm so interested in the fact that you work at a chicken farm. I think that's so badass. And how many chickens y'all got on this farm?
Thousands. They have to. You talking about Tyson?
You're not side hustling some eggs off the side. You're not pulling little.
Got to be putting out like at least.
Would you get fired?
bro?
Would you get fired for that?
Yeah, you get fired for that. You can't.
I mean, just like a dozen or two right out the back of the. Bro, I'd be popping. I'd be pulling on the side of the road, throw a little sign out, dozen eggs, $9.99, fresh, organic, free range. Open up the back of the slab right there, a couple cartons, a few $100s a day.
Bro, it ain't even worth it.
It's not worth it. Oh, so they're doing you right. You're doing good over it.
That's too much work, man.
And you're not trying to work hard.
Yeah. I ain't trying to work hard at all.
I know that's right. Truck. You're a good dude. So what you just work Monday through Friday, or when do you work? Because you're at work right now. You work at night.
24/7, man.
Are you living on the farm?
Yeah.
You in a trailer or something on the property?
Now we got a house out here.
A house on the property? Damn, they're doing you good.
Yeah, now but usually they have like a trailer or something.
Right. That's what I thought.
Because you're pretty much out in the middle of nowhere.
You get free eggs?
Yeah, if you want to just go pick them.
That's what I'm
It's
talking about.
organic.
Yeah, I mean, yeah, I would be smashing eggs. I'd be smashing eggs all the fucking time. At breakfast, eggs, egg fried rice, eggs and steak and eggs. I be eating fucking eggs with everything. I love eggs.
Yeah, I ain't gonna lie. I eat about like 6-7 eggs a day.
I eat eggs like a mother, bro. I eat like 4 eggs a day. I love eggs, bro. You know, one of my favorite breakfasts. I don't know. What's your ethnicity? Yeah.
Oh, I'm Vietnamese.
Okay, there it goes. The reason I'm asking is because I like I was gonna say I don't know if you know what calentao is. You know what calentao?
What's that?
It's a Colombian national dish. It's like rice and beans, and sometimes they put like pork and stuff in there. It's fucking delicious, but they put this big old fried egg on the top. And I love rice and eggs. Rice and eggs hit so hard for me, and so every day I usually have like 4 eggs on like a half a cup or a cup of rice, and it hits so hard.
Oh damn.
Yeah,
How you cook your eggs? You gotta get it scrambled?
I'll eat it anyway. It don't fucking matter to me. If I scramble them, I'll throw some sauce in that junk. I'll eat them over easy, over medium. I don't discriminate with my eggs.
You gotta make it scrambled, but you gotta make it the omu eggs. And it's still kind of runny on the inside, but it's cooked on the outside.
Right.
You talking about that Mr. Miyagi type shit? You cook your eggs with chopsticks?
Yeah. Like you swirl it around.
Right.
Wait. You know how to do that? You know how to do that? That thing that goes on the rice that you cut it?
That's what.
Yeah.
Amu rice.
You know how to do it?
Yeah, you got mix it. Yeah, like that. You got to mix the eggs are real scrambled.
Bro, I've been trying to find that.
You know how to do that. You know how to do that.
And you cook it on low heat.
Truck. You know how to do that. That picture in the chat. You know how to do it just like that?
Yeah.
And And you do it with the brown sauce?
Nah, I ain't got no brown. I ain't got time for no brown sauce.
You don't do no brown.
What is the brown sauce? Like a gravy, I assume?
It's like a gravy. I just do it just like that. A little salt and pepper.
I think it's a soy sauce. Bro, they have more than soy sauce, bro.
I know, but I think it's like a soy sauce gravy. I'm not even kidding.
Yeah. I don't know about the gravy, but yeah.
Wow, Truck, you got a video of that? You know how to make that for real?
Hmm?
That's
the video.
You got a video. They say that's the hardest omelet in the world to make, and you can do it with chopsticks.
Actually,
you're supposed to.
You just roll it around with chopsticks, and then you kind of like gotta hold on to the pan and kind of like flip it so it gets a little like All
right, hold on. This is crazy.
You're supposed to do it with chopsticks.
Are you willing to make one right now?
I'll give you 150K account. I'm not fucking around. I'll give you 150K.
If you 150K account, fuck, I'll give you one too. 250K accounts if you make one live right now with chopsticks and it comes out good.
Bruh. Hold on, give me a second. I gotta go in the kitchen.
You gotta take us with you too. So you better figure out how to get my ass on mobile. I want to watch.
What the fuck?
And you better have pants on, bro.
I gotta see, bro. My mind. I've never heard of someone who can make this omelet, and he's gonna do it with chopsticks, some real Cajun Vietnamese shit.
All right, hold on 1 second. Let me see.
Hey, are you naked, motherfucker?
Nah, man. Hold on. Let me put on the shirt.
No, you're good.
No, you're good.
I'm just trying to make sure your balls ain't out, so we don't see no kind of reflection. Them your little Asian nuts,
Bruh. All right.
Wait,
hold on a second.
It's already a GIF?
Hold on a second.
Yo,
Bruh.
is that how it looked?
Yeah,
I've never done that before.
Yeah, you had them little chopstick legs fucking bouncing around. It was really funny. That was hella funny.
Bro, I'd never done that before.
Oh, I'm so excited. Here we go. Hold on. Put us up. We don't got to see you no more. Put us up towards the pan. Yeah, I want to see the pan. The whole time I want to see the pan. Yeah, I want to see the pan. Yeah. Set us up so we can see. Yeah. Okay. Keep cracking the eggs. And those eggs, those are the freshest eggs.
Oh, with the orange eggs. Those are the good eggs right there.
Oh, you see that orange? That's a real one.
Wait,
Shout out.
Get eggs like that?
Bro, I pay for eggs like that, but I gotta pay $13 for eggs like that. Look at
for a 2-pack.
Hold on, look at that. Look at that. We got him. Look at the orange on those eggs are crispy.
Yo.
Damn, my boy got truffle oil, the big bottle. Yo, he's living good on the farm. Look at the size of that
Get you some
bottle.
eggs, man. Get you some eggs.
Yo, he got the shit on him.
Yo, I didn't know you. Yo, you're flexing on us heavy, truck.
Right. He's taking his time because he's about to put on a rollie and he's about to come back with a rollie on.
Damn, this motherfucker only shops at Costco. Why is everything you got big?
What?
Big ass ice bottle.
What?
Mixing up the eggs. There you go. Mixing up the eggs. Bro, he's going to hit this with chopsticks. Yeah. Pull me a little hang time.
Oh,
right there.
he's Asian. Look at the back tattoo.
You got the back tattoo. You got a little hang time on the front. That's the Louisiana part right there. The little hang time.
Yeah, that's that crawfish.
Yeah, that's that crawfish. You got that hang time in the front. Asian
You
in
got
the
that crawfish.
back.
They say he's a triad.
Yeah,
that's crazy.
Here we go. Put us right towards the pan. I love this. Oh my god, I fucking love this. Here we go. Beautiful angle.
Oh.
Here we go. Don't let me fall. Nice. Yes, we're in business. Okay, he's heating up the pan. Little hang time on the front. No big deal. Little hang time. Very nice. Okay, he's whisking.
They said that's Ricky Tan.
Who's Ricky Tan?
They said that's Ricky Tan.
Who's
you don't know
Ricky
Ricky Tan?
No.
From Rush Hour?
No.
You don't know Ricky Tan from Rush Hour?
You Americans are so funny.
So,
Wait, who's Ricky Tan?
They say you Ricky Tan.
you don't know Ricky Tan? Nah, bruh.
And his shorts inside
Holy
out too. That's
shit,
how
bro. Dog, y'all boys gotta chill.
His shorts.
Y'all boys gotta.
I fucking love this guy. I fucking love this guy. I fucking love
He
this
just
guy.
got on the phone like, oh, Lee,
Oh, he got.
I need to honor my family.
You own those chops?
Yeah, I gotta make breakfast.
Yo, did he
You
just
know them
flip
shit's
them?
made of bamboo.
Yo, hold on. Did he just drummer flip them?
You saw
Am I
that?
bugging?
That was crazy.
Wait a minute.
That was crazy.
Wait a minute. Did you just Asian flex the fuck out? Yo, did you just drummer flip those?
No.
Oh, no. Oh, he did, right?
I think I saw that, bro.
Damn. This dude's.
I gotta wait for the pan to heat up.
Right. You're good. Take your time. Yo, Max, where can we find this out here? I've been dying to try that
I
shit.
feel like we gotta find a chicken farm or some shit. Oh, look at it. He has some gangster tattoos. Back in the day, you could tell. Look, he did some jail time.
No, he for sure did some jail time.
Hey, truck.
100% did.
Truck, you hear that? You got
Yeah.
you got an F on your report card?
Yeah, what?
You got an F on your report card?
An F?
Yeah. You ever been to jail?
Nah, man. Why was that?
Oh, okay. I was looking at your tattoos. I was thinking maybe you were in like the mafia, that yakuza or something. You know?
Oh, nah. I wish.
The Yakuza.
Wait, did he say I wish?
Yeah, I wish.
I'm talking to Mac.
Big Daddy Max here. How's it going?
Big
You're
Daddy
on the
Max.
Big Daddy Morning Show. I don't know who you're talking to, but tell them you are fucking making history right now, truck.
Yo, he's about to.
I'm
No
showing
way
how to
he
make the
makes that
eggs.
shit, bro.
Showing them how to make the eggs. Hey, that's how we do it back in Louisiana.
Yeah.
Hey, Cajun.
He
Yeah,
really got that
seriously, I'm
Louisiana
on it.
accent too.
What's going on?
Hey, how you doing?
Big Daddy Max here. How we doing?
Oh, sorry.
Hey, make sure you tell your wife. Can I talk to you? Is that your wife, Truck?
Yeah.
Let me. Can she hear me? Make sure she knows. Truck makes the egg. If Truck makes the eggs, Mrs. Truck, he does well. But if he doesn't make this egg with the chopstick, he dishonor you in the family, and you don't
He need to honor his
He
family.
must honor the family.
Well, they call me on
And she said,
Lord,
"What
man.
the hell?"
Shit, what the hell?
Yeah, she's country as hell too. She's
Oh,
country as
Right,
hell
you
too.
heard
You heard
that?
that? Yeah.
It was hella country.
She said, "Oh, what the hell?" Here we go. Oh, butter's in. Butter's in.
Ooh, look how he's swerving it, right? He knows what he's doing.
Damn, what you getting abducted by aliens? What kind of fucking oven is that? What kind of stove
Right,
is
what
that?
the? It's in.
Get the chops. Here we go.
Look
Here
at
we
that,
go.
look at that. Yep. You gotta keep spinning, gotta keep spinning, and then eventually
my
you get the
God.
pot and you gotta go like
Here we go.
this.
He's shaking, boy. He's shaking. That's what I'm talking about. He got motion. He got a little engine back there. It gives a little kickback. Look at he got it going. Keep going, baby. There we go. Mom, killing it. Okay. He was already on the fold. He's already on the fold. He's moving quick. No pressure, Truck. Take it easy. Take it easy, Truck. There's no pressure. Oh my God.
Bro, there's no way he knows how to do this. It's impossible. There's no way.
Oh no.
It's a
he
myth
knows,
on
bro.
TikTok. It's a myth
he-
on TikTok.
No, I could tell he knows, bro. I don't know why. I just feel like he's locked the fuck in right now. I could tell. What, bro? What is that fucking headlight you're cooking on though? What in the hell is?
Why is that shit fucking bright pink? It looks like it just fucking signed a pay to play.
Wow, I feel like you got radiation poisoning or some shit.
Talking about
That fucking light underneath.
one night.
You focus, truck, focus, but the under the
Focus, bro.
under
Come on.
the stove light.
Ooh,
No, there's no shot he got this. I'm like 99% sure this motherfucker just made scrambled eggs.
bro. He just made huevos pericos.
Hold on, let's see it. Let's see it. Let's see it. Hold on.
No.
Chuck, show it to the camera. Show it to the camera.
No.
Let's see it. That's some scrambled ass eggs. This motherfucker ain't cooking. That's some scrambled ass eggs. Hold on, let me
coming
see.
on board, but sounds like it's cooked on the outside.
Shit cooked on the inside too, twin.
It sounds kind of wet on the inside.
You ain't there. You made some raw scrambled eggs, blood. That ain't no fucking.
It's cooked, dude.
You made some raw ass scrambled eggs, player. That ain't no.
That's how it's supposed to be.
That ain't no Amarucci.
But you got me off guard, man.
That's why I told you.
He ain't warm up, bro. He ain't warm up, Max. You know he had a stretch and shit.
Truck, I think you killed it.
Did you turn the stove off?
Yeah, it's off.
You didn't realize the fucking brightness in his house went back to normal? Jesus, truck. The fucking.
Oh no, there's a window right in the back. That's why.
Oh, it was reflecting off that. It was reflecting on that window.
Yeah.
Window right in the back. That why.
You ever shot an alligator?
What?
Nah,
I never shot an alligator. I never shot one.
Sorry, did you trade with us today?
What?
Did you
What?
Did you trade with us? Man, truck kills me, bro. Truck.
Nah, I wasn't on. I was on pretty late, but I got a couple trades in the morning.
Right.
Bro, truck, you just put on a fucking clinic, my dude. You dare I say it? I
think yes. I think yes, bro. I know what you're gonna say. I think it's a yes.
Is Truck? I'm officially going to say, as my boy Truck.
Yes.
The newest fan favorite? Was this fucking interview fan favorite quality?
His name is gonna have to look like him now.
I think we got it.
That was fucked up.
We got ourselves.
I take that back.
What did you mean by that? His name's got to look like him.
Hold on.
What is the fan favorite?
If I give him roll, damn. I gave him roll, bro. Hey, Truck, can you type in the chat real quick?
My boy's holding tags, bro. Big Daddy Truck's holding tags. Oh, his name's Yellow. You hella racist. Llama's on that racist shit. Ladies and gentlemen.
I'm not gonna lie, I was fucked up, bro. I'm not gonna lie. Look, I'll tell you one thing. He made scrambled eggs. He getting a 150K out of me. I'm not gonna. I'm giving mine up.
Hey, you made scrambled eggs. You made some raw ass scrambled eggs. That wasn't no Amaducci, but you made some raw ass scrambled eggs. But
you catch me on a good day.
You're gonna get the 150 from Llama, and since you just became a new fan favorite, you're gonna get the 150 from me too, baby. You're gonna get them both.
Oh shit!
You honor your family.
Hey, did somebody say I look like Manny Fresh? I was gonna tell y'all that's my name back in the day.
Yo, he just randomly.
Hold on. Not only look like Manny Fresh, you kind of sound like fucking Gators and the pimped out Gucci suit.
Yeah. Now I grew up with them.
Ain't got no job, but I stay fly. Can't pay my rent, cause all my money's spent. But that's okay, cause I'm still fly.
Yeah.
You know about that. So, fun story about that song. When my father was dying in the hospital of terrible illness, we used to sing that song to him all the time. And he had terrible jaundice, and he was not conscious or anything, but we would poke his yellow skin and make like designs, and we would sing that song. Right. It was really good. It was a good time. So, yeah, Manny Fresh, wonderful job. You fucking killed it, bro. You absolutely killed it. You've been with Thebigdaddymax for how long? You been with me? You gotta be 3-4 years now.
Yeah. It's been a long while.
Been a long while.
Very
been a long while.
Well, Truck, you are officially a fan motherfucking favorite. We appreciate you. We don't appreciate them raw ass eggs. Go cook those thoroughly before you get sick. And congratulations, my man. Open a support ticket. You got 2 150K TPTs coming your way, baby.
Thanks, guys. You're the best, man.
We appreciate you, bro.
Man.
You're the man, bro. You're the man putting on a fucking clinic for everybody. W's in the chat, everyone. W's in the chat for our newest fan favorite, the best interview we've had in a minute. Give it up for my boy, Manny motherfucking Fresh. Truck phone on the chat.
Thanks, guys.
Truck, we appreciate you, baby. You have a good one.
You too.
That was
Nasty
that's
work.
the guy right there.
He's
That's the guy.
He's the dude.
That's the guy right there.
Yep, he's the dude. No, what a fucking he's the plug. He's the plug.
He's the plug, bruh.
Unbelievable. He make the family proud.
He really honored the family.
His name look good, boy. Hey, that fan favorite name. I did work on that one with the yellow little highlight there. I think that shit's fire. I think that shit's fire.
Right.
I think that shit's fire. Shut your ass up, Moni. That shit looks good. That shit looks real good. Very nice. Congratulations, my boy. Very nice. Well, guys, shit, we gave out a lot today. We need to cool down. We feeling good.
Dog, that was
when
crazy.
the cats put up a clinic like that, the next, hey, listen, the Cats win the Stanley Cup. I'm gonna tell you right now, all of y'all are gonna want to be at the next show.
Right.
When the Cats win the Stanley Cup, all of y'all are gonna want to be at the next show. Because we giving away, you ready for this, Llama? We giving away 10,000 worth of accounts that day. I'm giving away 10 fucking G's when the Cats win the cup. Because I'm putting 10 G's that Edmonton loses the cup. I'm gonna put Yo. You just kiss his ass? That's not
Oh,
Llama's
I kissed her
twin.
back.
That's not
He said, Llama, don't eat it.
Twin got excited. That wasn't twin.
That wasn't twin. No, she's getting a haircut today. Groomer pulled up.
I gotta bring Mia's big ass to the groomer. She looks rough, boy. She looks rough. Yeah, we are going to have a blast, guys. When the Cats win, I should put 10K on Edmonton to win, because if Edmonton loses, we get the 10 G's in accounts. But if Edmonton wins, then I just get 10 G's and we don't get the accounts. But then I feel good about wearing an Oilers jersey.
Right.
I don't know. Plus, they're down 2-1 right now, so the odds are probably really good. I could probably put up like 65 and get 10.
Right.
The math might be mad.
Right.
Shut your ass up, Robin. It ain't gonna happen, Robin. Shut your ass up. Open a support ticket so I can give you a free 50K, Robin. Guys, that's it. What a show. What an unbelievably good show. Guys, we appreciate you.
Badass going through. Holy shit, she's going crazy. We broke $129,000 in giveaways. We're currently 98-2. That's a 98%
64
winning day.
win streak. Yeah.
Right.
My day. I posted it here, guys. Hold on. Let me post it again, just in case you guys didn't see. Let me post it again so everyone in the chat can see. Everyone in the chat can see. You want to know what else is a flex? Tell your guru to show you this page right here. You ready? Tell your guru
It
to
was
show
the
you.
100th day.
Hey, a lot of y'all have never seen this page before, have you? A lot of y'all never seen this before. You see that little left side right there? You seen that little side on the left? A lot of y'all
Some
never
shit right
logged
there, my
into
boy.
Tradeovate. A lot of y'all never logged into Tradeovate and seen that before.
Right.
Keep
You
paying,
officially have done 100 days here, Max.
keep paying that,
100 days.
that Discord and that motherfucker paper trading. There's my gains on the day. I told y'all I was one and done. A little 600 on the cash account. A little 600 on the cash account. We're officially up over $1,000 on the cash account. You multiply that by 5. We're up 5 G's in 2 days, but everyone wants to overtrade, make $1 million right away. I'm up 5 G's in 2 days on the cash account. Everyone wants to get rich so quick. Nobody wants to one and done. They all want to fuck off, Llama, but I'm sitting here consistent, day in, day out, calling my shot, taking the trade, making the bangers, stop loss or break even. The max way is the only fucking way. I keep saying it, goddammit. I can't say it enough. It's day 100. It is day 100 of fucking trading, and I am green almost the whole goddamn time. I got 40 funded accounts. I'm rich. I am good looking. I am wildly entertaining. Nobody does that shit for free but me and Max Options Trading. I would say Llama too, but he is not as attractive as I am. And I'm also gay because I kind of like the dining room light that I got.
Right. You know, when I moved into this apartment, I had changed all the lights myself. You know how hard that shit is? I became an electrician overnight.
That dog's about to get his ass beat. I heard that.
She wants water.
Guys, listen, nothing. You don't have water for your dog?
She drinks all of it. She has a problem, bro.
Your whole family has
She doesn't stop drinking until it's done.
Your whole family has a fucking problem.
No, but she drinks hella water throughout the day.
Before we go, I just want to say I think it's so funny. When we were walking to our table last night, we were walking to our table at the Brazilian steakhouse. We went to Texas de Brazil at the Sawgrass Mall, and we're walking to our table, and the guy walking us to our table stops and starts talking to another table. And so I'm right behind him, and he's just talking to another table. He just stops, like the lady like pulled him over. And he's just talking, but it wasn't like a quick, like, oh yeah, no problem. Oh, I'll go get that for you. And then we kept driving on.
No, it's like a full-on convo.
These motherfuckers started having a conversation. So after like 30 seconds, I'm like, they're like, what's going on? I'm like, I don't know. I'm like, am I following the right fucking guy? Like, I forgot. Like, I don't know what's going on. But then I look at the guy looks back at me. I'm like, you want me to fucking sit on grandma's lap here? Like, where are you taking me to the table or what are we doing? I'm like, should I go pick my own table? And he's like, no, I'm so sorry. And let's go. But it was just like an awkward, like it was like 2 minutes. We were standing there and this dude just started having a conversation. I'm like, I'll sit down on grandma's fucking lap if you want. We can dine together. But I just thought that was so fucking awkward. I've never seen a server.
No, you're like a big ass little kid. I was just staring at you laughing because you're like looking at him. You're like, oh, what do I do here?
Oh, it's a very awkward situation. I'm standing right next to the guy and he's just sitting there with our 4 menus having a conversation with a table for like 2 minutes. Could you imagine? Everyone think of yourself. Everyone think about walking into a restaurant right now. And then the guy, you're going to your table. There's the dump. There's the dump. Who fucking knew it? I knew it. And then this motherfucker just stops and starts talking. Bitch, I'm trying to eat fucking picanha. I'm trying to get cheese potatoes. I'm trying to get rice and beans and put the sand on top. I'm trying to get a little mozzarella de buffalo.
Mozzarella de buffalo with the fish
fucking salt for the picanha.
Yo.
What?
They do not got
what
was that boy's name? Ricky Tane? They don't got Ricky Tane.
Manny
saying what?
What? That's a good one. All right. What a dump. Unbelievable.
That's crazy.
Right, we love you. We
appreciate
appreciate
melting. That boy G57 tradesman is in there, boy. Come on now.
We love you. We appreciate you. Nothing we do is financial advice. We are not financial advisors. We are filming the Big Daddy Max morning show for entertainment purposes only. Please like, comment, and subscribe to the greatest trading show in the world. I'll walk around. Doc, we need who made the song? Who made the morning song?
God, we're fucking ripping right now.
Yeah, bro. I called the dump.
Oh my God.
All day. No, don't play it. Don't play it. Don't play it. I'm just saying. We did. Was it?
We don't go to 700 already, bro. This is what I wanted down here.
I was like 70 points in 5 minutes. I called that dump all day.
Wow, 100 points.
I called that dump
minutes.
all day. I need who made the morning song, mods? Was it Dom?
Idea.
Get Dom this clip. I need it to say. I need in the morning show song. It needs to add. You got when you walk around like this. When you got the X on your chest, you gotta have it say, "I'll walk around like I got an X on my chest. I'll walk around like I got an X on my chest. Bum 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 bum. I'll walk around like I got an X on my chest." Talks of Iran nuclear war. Shut the fuck up, JJ, you fear-mongering bitch. We're down. We're flat on the day. We're not even red. We're not even we're 0.003%. He's talking about we're going to zero. Shut the fuck. I called this short though, by the way.
Yeah, I wanted the short from way higher, bro.
I've been called that. Guys, nothing we do is financial advice. We're not financial advisors. We are filming the Big Daddy Morning Show. We appreciate all of you. We really do appreciate all of you. What a wonderful show we had today. And nothing we do is financial advice. Check out the likes, the comments, the subscribes. Do whatever you want. Check out the free Discord. The free Discord is everything, baby. We got trading bots. We got economic updates, newsletters. We got the futures watch list, Trump tweets, Gamma. We got everything you need to succeed. We got fucking the best community in the world. Don't forget
to tip the staff. We got our moderators, got some great tips for the moderators. They work for free. Don't forget to tip the staff, guys. Buy them a cup of coffee. Say thank you for keeping you safe. They are unbelievable. They answer so many support.
Thank you.
You know how many support? They've answered 3,423 support tickets now, Llama. 2,423. Hold on. 24. Hold on. 3,423. 23 divided by 5 months is about 150 days. They answer 23 fucking support tickets a day, including weekends. That's what they're averaging right now. Unbelievable. So tip the damn staff. They're great.
Wow.
They are great. We appreciate them a lot here at Max Options Trading. I have the best team on earth. The best team on earth. And as always, if you guys want to learn, you can check out all of our social media. We have so much free chickens. Llama's YouTube, wonderful for free chicken. My YouTube, wonderful chicken. Yo, 4,300 on the Take Profit Pro, Yuck. 4,300. You just caught the drop. Time to buy into Mastermind.
Yuckerson.
Time to finally buy the Mastermind, bitch. Time to buy the Mastermind, bitch.
I want to see that yellow name by that orange name by tomorrow.
He's hype. Hold on. I'm trying to leave, but hold on. He's too hype. Get him up there. Here he is.
Oh my God. I'm freaking out right now, man. I'm skipping work calls.
How's it feel to just hit your biggest trade ever or cash? Yuck. Ever since we pulled you up for that psychology talk, things have been
up here 3 times.
You've been up here 3 times making bread.
Dude, that was a good day.
Yuck.
Oh.
I need you to log out, though.
I'm out.
Don't be an idiot. Don't be an idiot.
My
Tonight,
boss is messaging me where I'm at.
Tonight,
I'm getting a buy signal.
Tonight, messaging.
That's
shut the fuck off. Let me make 4 bands.
Bro, 4,200. Hold on. 4,200 minus 20%. Well, that's a $3,300 paycheck coming to you tonight, Yuck. And don't fuck around and don't withdraw it. Don't fuck around and be one of those idiots who are like, I'm going to keep it in a buffer. Withdraw. Nope. Every fucking
pay
penny.
yourself.
Yep.
Pay yourself.
And then what I gotta do before Llama raises his fucking prices with his
he fucked everybody. He fucked everybody. The Mastermind's gotta go more.
It's crazy,
so
man. It's okay.
You better put it to work. Yuck, I'm proud of you. Great job. Keep fucking going, brother. You have changed everything's changed for you. It's unbelievable to see, but you're just killing me. You're just killing me.
I'm not even, dude, I can't wait to like be able to continue, right, man. It's getting excited, but like investing in learning more. Like, I mean, I haven't paid for anything yet, so I'm excited to be a student. I'm excited to increase my knowledge and be more confident in it. And this has become such a crazy different source of income for me, man. It's like really life changing.
Stay humble. Stay humble.
A
lot of people get very emotional when they catch a big loss.
Say the rest of it.
And they never think of the emotions that they get when they catch a big win. That big win will fuck you more than a big loss will.
Say the rest of it.
Bro, that was crazy. My boss is still messaging me. I gotta go. But I was supposed to be on a call 8 minutes ago.
Say the rest of it.
The rest of what?
Say the rest of it, Llama.
Yuck, it was a pleasure. Get off my stage. The fuck are you talking about? Say the rest of what?
You said stay humble. I said say the rest of it.
Stay humble, funny.
God damn it. If you guys want to tap in, everyone thank Llama. Oh, by the way, make sure you guys are following our social media alerts channel. If you guys aren't following our social media alerts channel, we got all the guys fucking banging social media alerts in there, and it's absolutely smacking. So make sure you guys are killing the game. The social media alerts. We got social media alerts. We got Sean alerts. Sean Trades, my boy, is on fire. He called out a put this morning at 5:30 on Q's. He's killing the game. Jake, absolutely killing the fucking option selling. Another student of mine who is full-time trading, unreal. Shark and Llama's dumbass channel, that means nothing. And then there's the Max SPX alerts channel. Great guy. Great job.
Why withdraw and not build a buffer? Always pay yourself. Your first payout, you need to pay yourself.
ROI.
And get your ROI.
What are you building a buffer for? For what? So you can fucking blow it like you always do? Fucking fuck a buffer. You're here to make money. You're either here to make money or you're a fucking liar. And so if you have the money in front of you, take the fucking money. Because you're probably down $5,000 in prop accounts anyway. You need an ROI.
Exactly. The beauty of TPT is that they force you to make a buffer. So once you're able to withdraw, you don't need to leave it. You just withdraw it.
It also drives me nuts. You're like, oh, I'll build a buffer. No, if you're a confident trader with a good risk management system and everything, then you don't need a buffer. I'm going to make $2K a fucking week, $3K a week per account anyway. I don't need no buffer.
I'm never going to blow my shit. I'm fucking killing the game. I'm confident in my strategy the max way. I make bread. So if I see money, I take money. If I see green, I take green. And I don't let my shit go red. I got a fucking ROI. Ooh, I'm hyped.
Exactly.
I'm fucking
Exactly.
bricked. I'm fucking bricked. Guys, if you want to take the course, you can check out the Mastermind. Price is going to fucking $4,500. You could thank Llama. It's going to $4,500. The Mastermind. The Max way is the only way.
As it should.
And if you want, you could take Pay to Play University. Pay to Play University. Big Daddy Llama. Big Daddy Llama. Pay to Play University coming up in the game. One of the best courses in the ICT world right now. And then, as always, if you want all of it, if you want it all, Futures One. Futures One, and oh, not the Futures One chat. Never mind. That's a hidden chat. Never. Futures One. Futures One's going to 10 G's now. Fuck it. fuck it. 10 G's. I don't care.
Okay.
Buy the course. Buy the course.
You know what? Nothing's for sale anymore. I'm just taking the course down, bro. Fuck that.
Buy the course. I'll take my course off right now. I'll fucking take all my shit off.
I'll literally take my shit off.
I'll charge $1,000 a day for this Discord.
No, you won't. I'm like, I'll pay it.
See, everyone's like, well, no, we leaving. No, great job, everybody. Great job. And then, as always, guys, listen, seriously, if you're going to buy prop accounts, which all of you are, why not use code BDM for all props and code BDM and P2P for our boys over at TPT. And a big shout out to our boys over at TPT. Hey, we appreciate you. TPT, 30% off, fucking no activation fee always. 5-day to pass eval, super easy consistency rules, and then with daily withdrawals, daily fucking withdrawals.
Unbeatable.
Shout out to James. Shout out to Matt. Can't wait to see you in a Marchand Cats jersey, Matt. Canada's gay. We appreciate the fuck out of everybody here. And that's it. That's all we ask from y'all, man. Put on another banger show, Llama. This was we got to say, hey, this week's been, these 2 days have been hot. We've been hot, boy. We've been posting some banger shows. You got to pay for it. We might have to charge to get in the front door, maybe like $100 one-time fee to get into these shows. This is some good shit. You got to pay top quality money for this kind of entertainment and value. We got to have a one-time fee.
I know people will pay.
No one's
People
paying.
will pay.
No one's paying.
For 6 months, we've been disrupting the future space. We have all these other they're not traders. We have all these other content creators, which is what they are. They're not traders. These content creators that live off of Discord money, shaking in their boots, figuring out what to do, because we're giving out more than anybody that charges. Our trades are better than anyone that charges, and we're way more entertaining than all these fucking losers that sit down and fucking do nothing all fucking day.
Right. Big facts. With that being said, Llama, I've given it strong consideration, and I'm always gonna be free, bitch. Fuck yeah. I ain't never gonna charge my people. I ain't never gonna charge my people. The max way.
We don't need to charge them, bro.
Way. Doc.
We don't need to charge. We trade. We actually trade. We actually make a living off trading.
I make a living off trading. I don't give a fuck about making money off of Discord anymore. Never.
That's
and when I used to make money off my Discord, it was to pay the fucking staff. It was ridiculous. I don't give a fuck about nothing. Kick the fucking song off. Kick the song, Doc. I'm out of here. We're out of here.
Lock in for it, nigga. You wonder why you ain't made it to the top.
I walk around like I got an X on my chest. Big Daddy Max. Big Daddy Max. Big Daddy Max. Mama rep pajama. Mama rep pajama. Mama rep pajama.
Lock in for it, nigga.
I am not a licensed financial advisor. I'm the Big Daddy Max, the
This is my favorite part.
trader in the world. With my boy, Llama Red Pajamas. He's the GOAT.
Ooh, breakfast came really late.
Everybody trade good day, and Llama's fat bitch.
Get off my damn stage.
Hold on.
Ravi Roca. You guys know what to do.
I did well, Llama.
No intro, Toby.
You're gay.
We synchronizing.
No intro.
We synchronizing.
Big Daddy Max. Big Daddy Max. Big Daddy Max. Big Daddy Max. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and don't forget to check out all the free shit we got. Buy the course if you want. Who gives a fuck? We're gonna have a great day, Llama.